The knowledge chest. Knowledge is power. Hi, welcome to another recording of voiceover tips and tricks. iOS 17 is out finally, and I thought I would quickly demonstrate something interesting that has been added to iOS 17 called NameDrop. Now that's in the AirDrop settings under General. You go to AirDrop and then you set the toggle that says that you must let's go there rather. Let's not go on what I say. Let's go there rather. So I'm going to just
selected screen recording but dock settings.
Go to settings.
Settings. Personal hotspot. Sound. Focus. But screen time. General button.
Go to general.
About button. Software. AirDrop button.
And AirDrop.
Selected. Receiving off. Receiving off. Selected. Contacts only. Everyone for 10 minutes. AirDrop lets you share in. Start sharing by heading.
Start sharing by.
Bringing devices together. Switch button on.
Bringing devices together. Right. So that is what I'm going to do. I have toggled that switch on.
Dock settings.
So I have deleted my wife's contact details from my phone, and I have also deleted my contact details from her phone. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to just bring the tops of our phones close together and then see what happens.
Share your contact.
Orientation locked. Image. An illustration of a yellow cat with white text above and below it. Hashtag LL Telcom Monitor 1045.
Good. So now our phones are close to each other. So now it asks me on my phone.
Paul Drake. 07. Receive only. Share button. Image. Image. Share button.
It says share. So I'm going to say share on my phone there.
Share. Receive only button.
Image. An illustration of image. Image. Share. But receive only button. Plus 20. Christine. Share your contact. Image. And share button.
I'm going to press double tap on share.
Share. Receive. Done button.
Done button.
Good. So now on my phone it says done, and on her phone it says done. So let's double tap done on my phone.
Done button. Dock settings.
Done button. Utilities folder.
Good. So now I have effortlessly shared my contact with her, and she shared her contact with me without going into anything or any settings or anything. And the nice thing is, if I look on my phone, I'm going to slide my finger down towards the bottom of the screen, towards the dock position.
Dock settings.
I'm gonna swipe right.
iPhone mail. No. iPhone mail. Dock settings. Page. Passive income fold. Pass. Page. Dock. iPhone mail. No unread emails.
Let's see if it's done.
Messages. Music.
You see, okay, so I'm not connected anymore, but it's okay. It's all right. That it's nothing serious there. I have now shared our contact details, and
Paul
Christine
Drake.
Drake.
so then
Utilities
Finance folder. 2
16
apps.
apps.
that's
Tap
it.
to open.
I've just brought the phones together again. Let's just go over this again.
Dock
Yeah.
settings. iPhone mail. Christine Drake. Connected.
Good, that's what I wanted to hear. And so what I've done is I brought the phones together again, and I actually just slid down with my finger towards the dock position, and I swiped right after settings, and after everything there. I got the piece that said that I am connected to my wife there, and let's see if she's connected
Messages.
to me.
Utilities folder. Doc. Messages.
See if she's connected to me there.
Doc. Message. Music. Paul Drake. Connected.
Well, I'm connected to her as well. So now I have just taken the phones away from each other. So the tops of the phones are not against each other anymore. So now I can share anything with her instantly. Photos, music, anything. It's not going to ask me if I want to share it. It's going to share it instantly. So if I have anything else I want to share with her via AirDrop, it's just going to go to her phone, be pushed to her phone effortlessly. So that is now the nice thing about the AirDrop feature of iOS 17. It is definitely, it definitely makes AirDrop much, much smoother. All right, folks, that's all I have for you in this video for today. I hope that you have learned something new. The knowledge chest. Knowledge is power.